did you do to him?
I thought it was good to be ambitious, isn't it? Hey, old dad.
Beautiful son.
Like, I guess, what Richard did, I mean, it did travel, it travelled far, and the acclaim for it obviously was international, but back at home, I mean, is it great to see Irish films getting that response from an Irish audience?
Yeah, it's incredibly important with a film like what Richard did, which was really. I mean, I think good stories and good thinking is kind of universal, but at the same time, it's very Irish. Those kids and that story are very much about here as well as being about more universal things, and it would have been very depressing for me if people had just sort of not really
bothered,
been interested
yeah.
or not bothered. But I was very surprised by the extent to which I did. I thought the audience for what Richard did would be primarily a little bit older, you know, people who are interested in you know, art house cinema, but actually its audience was much bigger than that, and particularly among the age group of the kids who were depicted in the film.
You didn't let me drag you down. That's a great instinct, son. Don't change that now.
You've worked with Fassbender now. Tell us a bit about that project. I mean, it's very exciting. It feels like we've gone on forever. I've been waiting for it forever at this stage.
Me too. It's actually, we finished shooting it a year ago, so we finished it a few days ago. I mean, it exists, it's done. And it's this Friday coming, it's premiering in Sundance.
Amazing. So you must be so excited.
Yeah, very excited. Heading over in a few days, and you know, you don't really know what the film is until you sit with an audience and watch it.
Frank wants us to start everything from scratch.
Color coding.
He's created an entirely new musical notation system. We've designed our own instruments.
You best describe it, actually, because you know, every synopsis that I've seen is kind of like, how is it going to work?
Well, it is a pretty unusual confection, and a big imaginative soup of stuff which is funny and quite poignant in places. And to describe it, it's a film about somebody who, I mean, we're talking about creativity, it's a film about somebody who's desperate to be creative, really because they want the trappings of what that brings, you know, fame and recognition.
I am more convinced than ever that this band, whether they realize it or not, could achieve greatness. And I will work to take my place at its very heart. I will show them what I am capable of. I will show them.